I can't sing in high heels at all, so we're flat, we're grounded now, so hopefully this will go a little bit better. Feels a lot better. I have given and got none. Still I'm driven by something I can't explain. It's not a cross, it is a choice. Cannot help but hear his voice. I only wish that I could listen without shame. Let it rain, let it rain on me. Let it rain, oh let it rain on me. I have been a witness to the perfect night. Wipe that grin off my face to hide a thing. Isn't worth the tears you cry at that perfect alibi. The only listen I couldn't listen without shame. Let it rain on me. Let it rain, oh let it rain, let it rain on me. Isn't easy to be kind and watch these demons in my mind. I only hope someday that I'll be I do my best not to complain. My face is stirring from the rain. I only hope one day that I'll be free. Let it rain on me. Let it rain, oh let it rain. Let it rain on me. Come take my hand. We can walk into the light, and without fear, we can see through the darkest night. Rain on me. Let it rain, oh let it rain on me. Rain on me. Thank you.
Hi Emily, how you doing now?
Good.
Excellent. Better that you're in flat
Yes.
shoes?
Yeah.
Is that what you call them? Flat shoes? I'm a guy, I don't know anything about shoes. You know what I really like about your performance is the fact that you know the power of your own voice and you know where to hold the mic to reflect it in the best way. And that was definitely a great job. Love the tune, love the song, great performance.
Thank you.
Like he said, just a couple of places in the beginning where I think maybe nerves got in your way and pitch kind of got a little sacrificed.
A little shaky there.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Great job.
Thank you very much.